Magandang gabi po at narito na ang resulta na ating 9 p.m. Visa sa Lottery Results today. Ngayong araw po ng Friday, June 5, 2026. At para po sa draw natin ngayon ay ang Ultra Lotto 658, ang Mega Lotto 645, ang 4D Lotto, ang 3D Lotto at ang 2D Lotto. At para po sa ating 4D Lotto, 2, 7, 9, and 5 in exact order. And for Mega Lotto 645, June 5, 2026, sa winning combination na 1, 38, 18, 42, 4, and 44 for the jackpot prize of 43,744,766 pesos and 73 centavo in any order. At para po sa update ng Lotto winners, ipinopost ko po siya under our comment section. And for Ultra Lotto 658, sa winning combination na 20, 45, 13, 31, 7, and 27 for the jackpot price of 75 million pesos in any order. And for 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw, 9, 0, and 7 in exact order. And for 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw, 6 and 29 in exact order. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.